So what's up guys, welcome to the course of Facebook. So I will show you how to create advertisement in most of the fields which are working in the market today. So just click on this create, and now I will show you how to create advertisement for brand awareness. Click on this first option and click on continue. As of now I'm just completely creating a different new campaign. So now I'll give the name as brand awareness, and you can just select all these details. Okay, so after that you will come to this page, and if you are creating this advertisement for special issues like the social issues, elections or politics, then you have to just turn on this option and you have to confirm your identity. Okay, you have to just tell your I've already shown you how to give your details to Facebook, where they will come to identify your identity at your home and all. That comes under this section. Okay, so we are not creating any advertisement for any social or the political issues, so I will turn this option off. Next is this auction option, just keep it on. Then the brand awareness, don't do anything with these options. This A/B testing, just forget this, click on next. So basically when it comes to this first page of campaign, you don't have to make much changes except the name of your campaign. And over here I won't do any changes. I will say add new ad set 1. This is just a naming process. Then comes the budget. We have already seen in the previous tutorial how to set your budget. So I will say 200, let it be this, because we are just creating this advertisement for learning purpose. You can just set the start and the end date, which we have already seen in the previous class how to do that. You can just go to this more options and see the additional options. Okay, we have already seen how to set the budget and start and end time of your advertisement and all. Okay, so as of now I won't be doing that. My campaign will start at this time and it will end at this time, whatever I select over here. Let me just still do that. I want my advertisement to end on the 2nd October, and I want my advertisement to start on the 1st October. Okay, and I want my okay, so I will make changes over here. I will say 01. So your ad set cannot run for less than 21 hours, sorry, 24 hours. So just make sure that your ad is at least running for 24 hours. So these are those options. Next is creating your audience. I have already shown you all how to create your audience and all. Now I want to show my advertisement not in India. I will select some different place. Let me select. I will select Sri Lanka. Okay, can I just give the name directly? Okay, so just come over here and say Pakistan. Let's just try to target Pakistan. Okay, so now we have selected Pakistan. Then from Pakistan you can select any locality. As of now I don't know there are how many states and what names of the states from Pakistan, so I won't be doing that. Let me just target India only. Okay, so I will say India, and over again I have these options over here. You can target people living in or recently in this locality, or people living in this locality, people recently in this locality. So these are some of the options present over here. Okay, so or you can even select a people travel in this locality. Okay, so recently if they have some there are some visitors or travelers who have visited these people, you can target them. So this is how you can target people. So I will say people travel in this locality. Okay, and let me just target India as a whole, and all these details will remain same. And now currently I'm just creating the brand awareness. Okay, so I will say fashion store. Let's see. Okay, big size fashion store, uh, online store, online shopping. Okay, so whatever options you want to choose, you can just choose them over here, and if whatever you want to exclude, you can exclude them. uh, if you want to target this same people, like people from this locality, this age, gender, then this interest. Okay, so if you want to save this audience, then you can say save this audience, and you can give them the name. Okay, so I will say fashion store audience. Okay, so this is the name that is given by me. I will say save, and next time if you want to target this people over again, then you don't have to create this all the hectic work over again. You can say use the saved audience, and over here you will get that option. Okay, next time. But as of now I have already saved this audience. This time I will say automatic placement, but I would suggest you all not to do this. I've already shown in the previous class how to place your advertisement. And optimization on delivery. Okay, so as of now we are getting this different option over here, because we have set this as automatic placement, but if you are just changing this to manual placement, and we won't be getting those options. Okay, so what we were getting previously. Okay, so optimization for delivery. So Facebook will take the necessary actions in order to deliver your ad to the right people, and spend your entire budget and all. Okay, so when you are charged, okay, so you will be charged when advertisement will be shown to the people. Okay, so if suppose 1,000 people are watching my advertisement, then I'll be charged according to those impressions. Okay, so if 1,000 people have seen the advertisement, then only my budget will be incurred. Okay, you can edit that. This is the only available option. But okay, so because we have said that we want a brand awareness, this is the only option for brand awareness. We cannot change this. And now we could say next. And now we are at the final stage, which is advertisement. We have seen how to create the campaigns and the ad set, and last we have the ad. Over here we have to select the Facebook page and the Instagram account. You can even connect your Instagram account over here, and this is how your page will be shown. Last time I've shown you how to show a single image. This time I'll show you how to show the multiple images with the help of the carousel. Carousel is basically the option in which you will see the multiple pages. Okay, so click on this carousel. Carousel is basically used in order to show the multiple images. You can just slide them. I will show you how to do that. Just click on the carousel add, and over here you can add the multiple images. Click on select image. Click on upload, and let me just upload this image. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be making use of these three images, this and this one. So as of now, let me just select this. I will say continue. This is the first image, and now let me just add one more image. Okay, so when it comes to the adding the images, you have to also provide the heading, description, and the URL. Okay, so now let me select the image. Now I will select this image. So basically this is important when it comes to when you are promoting the products and all. If you are promoting the affiliate products or promoting the multiple products from your website, then this is important. And let me add third image. Where is the third image? Okay, select image, and this is the third image. Okay, so when you upload these images, also make sure that you are adding the description. I will say this is third product. This is the heading, the kind of heading that you see over here. This is the optional one, and over here you can just provide the link of your website or a link of the product, whatever you are trying to promote. This link is highly important. This heading and description is optional, but you can give it. Okay, same thing follows for these previous two images. URL is important. As long as you're not giving the URL, you will get the error. And for first image, over again I am having this URL. I will say this as a flight. So as of now I'm just randomly giving the data. The important thing is URL. This heading and description is not required, but you can give it. You have to give it. Okay, so it will look good. Okay, so now everything is done. I have added the three images. So this is how your advertisement will be shown. You can just scroll this and the three images will be shown. Okay, let me just review this. The link field is required. Okay, so this is the error as of now. The link field is required. We are getting error at one more place. Okay, so over here also we have to provide the link. This is the primary text what will be shown, that will appear over here. We can say if you are selling the products, then you can say 90% off and all. 90% off, big sales. Okay, so always make sure that whenever you are creating the advertisement, everything should be eye-catching. It should drag the attention of the people. Okay, so this is the stuff what will be shown over here. And next is this advertisement. Let me just preview this. Let me see how my advertisement would look on the Facebook. And this is the call to action button. So basically link will be associated with this button. You can just give whatever name you want. I will say shop now or buy now. Okay, shop now, because basically I'm just selling the products. Okay, so this is how your advertisement will be shown. Okay, so for this button I will say shop now, and over here it is giving me the preview how it would be looking on the Facebook, and then this is the preview for Facebook feeds. Then this is how it will be shown on the stories, because we have selected automatic placement show, so advertisement will be shown everywhere. This is how it would look on the in the articles and the search option. Okay, so this is how you can make use of the cursors in order to show the multiple items in a single field. And okay, rest everything is fine, and you don't have to make any changes to rest of the things, and just click on publish and your ad will be getting published. But it will ask for payment information because we have not added. So just do this payment procedure and your advertisement will run smoothly. Okay, so this is the second advertisement for product selling. If you want to sell the products and all, then this is how you can run your advertisement. So I will also make the detailed tutorials about each and every field present over here. Okay, so thanks for watching.